bathroom crapping after she just some napping.
Will you smell it?
I don't smell it. Thank goodness.
Hey?
Thank goodness I don't smell it.
I want to go out.
You want to go out? Yeah.
You want to go? Hey, go out. Want you go for a walk? Let Nan go out.
Nan is in the bathroom. Crapping. Oh my goodness.
No, fuck it out.
You hear Nanny?
Hey?
Hey? Do you hear Nanny?
Hey, Cos.
She goes, where'd Nanny go? I says, Nanny's gone crapping after napping. And she started laughing.
Are you laughing? Are you silly girl? Hey?
She goes, do you smell it? I said, thank goodness I don't smell it.